Hello everyone, welcome to Unbox Grid again. Today we are looking at how to close apps on iPad. So iOS in general makes it very easy to handle the applications, and this applies to all the iOS devices across all the generations because they have not changed how the OS operates, and this is OS specific feature. This is an iPad from M1 generation and it also follows the same rules, and regardless of whether your application or the OS is updated or not, this should work. So let's see, I have this application open and I go somewhere else and I start reading a book, and then I again change my mind and I go to ChatGPT for example, and now I have 3 applications open in total. So let's see how you can use them or close them. So to use them, so if you want to switch between the application, what do? You from the left bottom corner, so these are the default settings. If you have changed the gestures, that from the left bottom corner something else should open, so that's a different thing. But if you use or drag the finger from the left bottom corner at the very center in a curve, you see this, which are all the applications which I have opened. So this is Freeform, which I opened, and then ChatGPT, and then there is books as well over here. So now if you have to kill the application, you just have to slide them over at the top like this, and it will readjust itself. So this is how you kill an application. So now this is not something you have to go into settings each and every time and then kill the application. Some applications, regardless whether they are present here in this view or not, even if you have pushed it aside, like for example Gmail, it will still run in the background because it is waiting to receive the emails. So you cannot stop that. You can stop that, but there is no point in stopping that. So that's done from the settings, but that's a story for a different video. So this is how simple it is to kill applications in an iPad or on an iPad. Thank you for watching.